Okay, so really super quick. This is a video about creating social media content. Mostly this is about how to set up your file size. So there are two ways you can create something that's going to look great on Instagram. And then there are some ways you can manipulate Instagram to do what you want. I like to create a square file that is aspect ratio optimized for Instagram. Instagram's width is 1080. So 1080 by 1080 is going to give you that square Instagram content. So to do that, I create a new file in Photoshop. This is literally going to be like a 4-second video. I go to create new, okay? There's a bunch of stuff that is already set up. Let's see what mobile does for us. Maybe you have an idea already. Mobile, you got anything? No, that's just giving me iPhones. So these are a bunch of different plates for graphic designers for things like iPhones and other app designs. That's not our life, actually. So we're just going to go back to recent, and we're going to create our own preset, and it's going to be, I'm just going to call it social media post, and I'm going to save it over here as a preset, social media post. This will allow me to get this back again, okay? First, I should actually set it up correctly. So our size is going to be in pixels. The width is going to be 1080, like I can type. The height is going to be 1080. The resolution does not matter for us right now because we are creating content for the web. Resolution is going to be how sharp it is when it's printed. So if you are creating a print document in Photoshop instead of, like, for example, if you're creating your research image or whatever, your collage, whatever, in Photoshop instead of in InDesign, you would use the inches over here and you would give it a resolution. So you would be like 11 by 17. The width being 17 by 11 inches. And then you would give it a resolution of 300 dpi, which is dots per inch. Pixels are the digital equivalent of those dots, but it scales depending on your content. And also your display. So we're going to make these 1080 by 1080. Resolution doesn't matter because it's being shown on a computer. We save it now. And it'll show up in the recents as a recent preset. See, yeah, yeah. See, there's my RHD preset. Now I have this preset too. Cool. And now I create it. Create. Great. So here it is. Okay. This is now my file size that I know I'm going to use, and I will save it as. And I will put it into the folder that I want it to be in, and it's going to not be in that one. It's going to be in this Lysistrata project as a project file. No, but for real. There we go. Project files. Or Insta even, because that's where I'm going to be putting it. Okay, 1. PSD, great, save that shit. Okay, so now I have my first file here. I'm gonna pull a bunch of research in, compose the Photoshop file of my dreams, and export this as a flattened PNG. Same process as we've done before, so that would be the file, export, quick export as PNG, or save as a PNG if that quick export option doesn't work for you. So then I'll have a Photoshop file and then a flattened image that will be the basis for sending those Instagram posts out into the world. You can do it also just in your phone cropping images, but I like this way because I am a control freak. So yeah, so that's all that I'm going to show you in this video. Hopefully this will set you up to put out those 3 documents as part of our final project. Thanks, guys. Bye.